to use intext citations on your papers. You have 3 different types of citations that we gave you for your term paper, and I'm going to enter all 3 of these into the paper so that you know how to do it in future for yourself. So the first one is an article by an unknown author written by The Economist. Written in The Economist. It's called The Magic of Diaspora. And what we do is we put our cursor where we want it. I'm going to have a space here. And we come up here to References. You click the reference button. You want to push on the APA and make sure that whatever version of Microsoft Word you're using, it shows up as being APA 6th edition for your EAP courses. From there, you're going to click Insert Citation. And Magic of Diaspora is coming from a article in a periodical. And you'll notice that some of these things have an asterisk by it. Now, those are the things that are required. However, in the case of The Economist, we don't know the author, so we're just going to fill in the rest of the items that have the asterisk by it that we do know. So the title, we want to make sure we're using the correct capitalization, is The Magic Diaspora. This is The Economist. That's the name of the periodical. We don't need the publisher or the city. The year is 2011. The month is November. And the date is the 19th. Now, because we got this from an online version of the magazine, we're still treating it as a periodical, but we don't know the page numbers. So we click OK, and it enters it for us. And that one's done. All right, so now we're going to add in source 3 by the author Ronald Skeldon. And again, we go back and insert a citation. This one coming from Skeldon is from a document from a website. All right, so we're going to type in his name. Now remember, with English names, it's just the opposite of Chinese names. So the surname is written last and the first name is written first, the given name is written first, so we turn that one around. The web page name is the article title. So China, an emerging destination for economic migration. Okay, the name of the web page is, or the website rather, is Migration Policy Institute. Okay, and the URL, unfortunately, you have to type it all in. Okay, and again, because these other items don't have the asterisks, we don't have to fill those in. We're just going to fill in this one. And 31. Okay, so this document from the website is now complete. Okay, and we're going to add in, scroll down a little bit more, and we'll add in one more. Now this last one that we're going to add in has more than one author, so there's a little bit, something a little bit different. This time we enter the first author, host David, and then we click on Edit. Now, this is Pong, and first name Ling, and we click OK, and it's added her. We have one more we're going to add, the last author, Ao Dong Shu. All right, and we click OK, and all 3 of them are now added in here. All right. Now, you'll notice by default, it keeps document from the web page as the last item. So I need to change that. And this one is an article in a journal. Now, it keeps my author's names in there. That's fine. But now I'm going to fill in the information again. One country, 2 peoples. This is Asian population studies. Okay, we don't know the publisher, we don't know the city, The year is 2015. The month we don't know. The date we don't know. We do know the volume number, so we can fill that one in. And the issue is number 1. That's the 11:1 that's given to you. And pages 67 to 93. Okay, so the rest of this information we don't know, and we click OK. And again, it's put into the text. Now, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and what we need to put in now is our bibliography. So we're going to click on bibliography. Uh-oh, it's put it in right here. So we don't want that. It's in the middle of our text. We're going to undo that. Come down here and put your cursor where you want your bibliography, and then click bibliography. So there we have it. Now, what you'll notice is it does say bibliography, and for our EAP class, we want it to say references. So you simply double click on the word bibliography and type in the word references. Okay, now, bibliographies need to be, or reference lists need to be in alphabetical order, and Microsoft Word and Apple, they don't get along because they're two different companies competing with each other. And what I can do is come here and I can update it, but nothing happens. If you're typing this on a PC, it automatically is it's automatically put into alphabetical order. So this time we have to do it ourselves, and to do that, we click on Convert to Static Text. Now I've converted it to static text, and what I can do at this point is I can copy this, and I can enter, and I can put it in the correct order. I'm going to delete that one, and now I'm going to delete the duplicate reference. So I've now saved this to in the correct alphabetical order for my reference list. Now up here you'll notice these are all non-integral citations, and that's fine for this first one, but we want to change these other two because they just don't work for us. So again, we're going to click on the source and the little blue arrow over here and convert citation to static text. Now you want to do this part last because once you've converted it, it won't convert back for your bibliography, so you'll have lost it in your bibliography. So you want your reference list. You want that in there first. Okay, and we need to put in the correct citation style. So Skeldon 2011 mentions, and then we're going to do that same thing down here one more time for this one, and we convert to static text. Put in our bracket. Come over here. According to post 2017, comma, space. And there we have it. And now we can simply save this. And we're going to save this one as references demonstration. And we're going to put that onto my desktop and save. So there you have how to add citations and a reference list using Microsoft Word in a very, very easy manner. Good luck on your papers.